Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are talking about SolidWorks tips and tricks. So it's a brand new series in SolidWorks. I have been thinking of starting this series for a very long time, and so today is the very first video for tips and tricks. So in this video we are going to talk about changing the transparency of your part body. So basically, if you have a complicated design like this, you can see there's a lot of complications. So I can just select any of the face, hover my mouse over the face, go right click and change transparency. So you can see there is it it it, it, it makes the surface, or you can say it makes the face transparent, and it gives me enough view of the inside of my design. So you can go ahead and go for this one also. So you can see it makes my face transparent for the moment, and we can easily view what's going on inside our part design. Let's see if we can change for this one. Yeah, so as you can see, it makes quite a difference if you want to see what's going on inside your design, basically inside your part body design, and make changes according to your views. So this is a very important tool in SolidWorks, change transparency, and you can switch it back to off by going right click and again change transparency. Right click, change transparency. As you can see, this is how we can utilize this option, and you can easily view what's going on inside the model. Hope you guys like this tips and tricks. Very easy, very beneficial, I can say. See you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you so much and peace.